Welcome to Qara-Investment. If you are new to our page, don't forget to follow, comment, and like our educational content. Qara is a platform created to educate and help people become familiar with stock market. Our mission is to simplify stock market and cover key components of investing and trading. Our goal is to reach everyone across the globe and share our knowledge. Continuing from last week, this week our focus is understanding different types of candlesticks. We will cover what Marubozu candlestick is and what it does. We will talk about long versus short shadows, spinning tops candlestick, doji, dragonfly doji, and gravestone doji, and bullish reversal dojis and patterns. Understanding these can be a game changer in your trading journey. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of these candlestick patterns using some real-world examples. Imagine observing a daily chart of a tech giant like Apple Inc. Spot a green Marubozu. That's a clear signal that from the opening bell to the closing bell, buyers have had the upper hand, pushing the stock price from the day's lowest to its highest. Now, what if you see a red Marubozu? Well, that would mean sellers ruled the day, dragging the price from the high to the low. Now, consider a day when Amazon.com Inc. has a long upper shadow. This tells you that buyers initially pushed the price to a high, but then sellers pushed it back down. Or picture a day when Tesla Inc. has a short lower shadow. This would indicate that sellers initially dominated, but buyers made a strong comeback by the end. Next, let's talk about spinning tops. Picture a day in the life of Netflix Inc. stock. On a day with a spinning top, the small body suggests that despite the price moving up and down, the opening and closing prices were close. This seesaw battle between Netflix bulls and bears indicates uncertainty in the market. And what about doji? Imagine spotting a doji on the chart of Microsoft Corporation. If the opening and closing prices are almost identical, it's as if Microsoft stock had a tie game between buyers and sellers. The next few days' moves will determine who takes control in this tug of war. Now consider a long-legged doji in the chart of Alphabet Inc. This signifies significant indecision among traders. Prices swung high and low, but ultimately Google's stock closed almost unchanged, suggesting a turning point might be on the horizon. Let's say you're analyzing a pharmaceutical company like Pfizer Inc. A dragonfly doji here could mean that sellers initially dominated, pushing prices lower. However, by the end of the session, Pfizer bulls resurfaced, pushing the price back up. Conversely, a gravestone doji might indicate that buyers initially drove prices higher, but by the close, sellers managed to bring it back down. Now, consider a scenario in the chart of Intel Corporation after a prolonged downtrend. If a long-legged doji appears, it could suggest a potential reversal in trend. Confirmatory signals like a subsequent green candle with increased volume might indicate a bullish turnaround. In conclusion, understanding these candlestick patterns and applying them to real stock examples enhances your ability to interpret market dynamics. Getting a grip on these patterns is like learning a new language, where each candlestick pattern is a character that tells a different part of the story. Remember, every candlestick pattern reveals the market's mood, and understanding them can provide valuable insights for your trading decisions. This week's video ends here, but our weekly video will continue to bring you stock market knowledge. Make sure to follow us on our social media page and support our YouTube channel link in our bio. With your support, we can reach more people and spread our knowledge across the globe. Also, feel free to let us know what you would like us to talk about. This is an open platform and we would love to cover topics you guys interested in knowing more about. With that being said, thank you for your support, happy trading, and see you next week.